Hello guys, welcome to Sky's channel.
Hello, welcome back to another video. We have Nia on my lap, so as you can see, it's an unboxing video. Yeah, jazz hands. Yeah, we've got a dog. Barnaby's there. And we're going to be doing Blox fruits. First Blox fruit, please.
I'm trying to take the tag off. I did it!
There we go, got it.
Can I open it with you guys?
Hang on.
Mommy?
As always, we're hoping to get new ones or the kitsune fruit. And preferably the kitsune fruit, but new ones are good. Is that? No, it's not this. Is this another Buddha? There's no way I'm about to get another Buddha, right? A fourth Buddha? That'd be too many Buddhas.
I got this for the world.
Oh, thank God, not a Buddha. Ah, wrong blue fruit. Wait, what? Ah, wrong blue fruit. Quake. I mean, it's a new fruit though, so that's good. Oh man, I thought that
Can you get me one? Because I haven't opened one.
Nia, stick your hands out for the box over there.
I don't know, I haven't opened it.
Yeah, open it, Nia. Come on, Nia, be a bit more careful with it. You've got the right size. Hang on.
And it, because that's with the way. It's a sausage so wee. But I don't know. Stop. How do it?
There we go.
Hello, what? Can I open the ball?
Hang on, yeah, I'm just helping you a tiny bit now. That's rubbish, Nia.
Go play over there.
Alright, Nia, you wanna open it now?
Yeah.
Open the box, and I'll do the unwrapping part. Open it. Right there, just pull back. Yeah, well done, you did it, Nia.
I haven't opened the bag.
Another Buddha. No, that can't be another Buddha, right? 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 Yeah, it's another Buddha. I think that's like the fourth Buddha I own. I own so many Buddhas.
The same one?
Yeah, I own like 4
Can you give me
Buddhas.
the last
I can
one?
make a temple of Buddhas, a Buddha temple.
I've got one.
They're the most
I've got
No,
one.
they're all the same rarity, apart from the kitsune one. So that's just pure coincidence.
Come on, guys.
Final box!
Final.
Luck, please!
It's Kai.
Oh,
Please! Come on, we can catch it now.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Yeah! We did it! You did it, Nia. You did it! You got it! Yeah.
Can I open the little box?
Hang on. Hang on a sec. Let me just get the wrapping off. As you can see, Nia's liking these. I love the codes on these because these can give good fruits. I remember I got a palm, the kitsune I got, it gave me a palm spider. Oh, what colour is that? Oh, wait, that doesn't look yellow.
No,
Yeah, it doesn't.
I wanted to open
Oh my
it.
god, it does look yellow.
I wanted to open it.
Nia?
It's yellow and red and black. Oh, it's the quake. Yeah, fiddle.
Nice.
What's
It's a video.
that?
Right, that's just ruined Kai's video.